Alright, I just wanted to show you guys another one of our box deals, just to kind of show you guys they're a little different. So let's open this thing up here, get started. Alright, let's go with some fluorocarbon line, 20 pound. Let's toss in some braid, X8 braid. This is 60 pound braid. Let's try some of our jerk baits in there, some green pumpkin. Let's do the buzz saw. Love bug, nice little flipping bait, magic tail chunk, nice little trailer. Let's go with the heart pounder. This is the June bug red. This is what I caught my 11.2 pounder on, the exact same color on the Harris Chain of Lakes, the heart pounder. Let's go with the pack of the trick buzz worms, June bug. Yeah, let's toss in another heart pounder, 7 1/4 inch worm. Let's give you a pack of our hooks. Let's go with another jerk bait in the black and blue. Let's go with the victim. This is a nice little trailer. And let's go ahead and toss this off with a bag of the 4-inch little stick baits there. No, I tell you what, this is going to be a nice surprise for somebody. We're going to go